If you have old, unused, or duplicate calendars cluttering up your Google Calendar, deleting them can help you stay organized and keep things simple. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to delete calendars in Google Calendar on your computer, step by step, and I'll also point out what happens when you permanently delete a calendar so you can do it safely. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Google Calendar on your computer and make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account. Once you're on the main calendar page, look for the Settings gear icon in the top right corner. Click Settings, then click Settings again from the menu if needed to open the full Settings panel. On the left side, you'll see a section called Settings for My Calendars. This is where all of your personal calendars are listed. Select the calendar you want to delete from that list. Make sure you choose the correct one, because deleting a calendar removes its events and cannot be undone. After selecting the calendar, scroll down through the Settings page until you find Delete Calendar. This option is usually near the bottom of the calendar settings. Click Delete, and then choose Permanently Delete when prompted. Google will ask you to confirm the deletion one more time, so read the message carefully before continuing. Once you confirm, the calendar will be permanently removed from your account. If that calendar had events, reminders, or important information, make sure you've saved anything you need before deleting it. And that's it. You've now deleted a calendar in Google Calendar. It's a quick process once you know where to look, and it's a great way to clean up your workspace and keep your schedule easier to manage. If this video helped you out, please like the video and subscribe for more simple Google Calendar tutorials, productivity tips, and step-by-step tech walkthroughs.